Hey people, so in the 6 years since I've started my YouTube channel, tomorrow July 14th, which is a Friday, I'm going to be hosting my first ever meetup, and this is going to be at Phoenix Arena, which is in Hyderabad, and it's it's at 5 in the evening. We'll all be meeting up. So sweetie pies, all of y'all who've been so kind to subscribe to my channel and watch my videos and all, if it's possible for y'all to visit Phoenix Arena, because there is this Japanese delegation also that from Happy Science, there's this group who are coming. So if y'all can also come to Phoenix Arena tomorrow at 5 o'clock, I will be super grateful. Yeah, I'll get to meet y'all in person, and it's like I promise, like, it will be a memorable experience. So tomorrow being Friday, it's the end of the week and it's a weekend really. If y'all can just spare some time and be there for at least 1 hour also, just to so that we meet up, and it's a memory for a lifetime. And this is the first ever meetup being planned. So truly, people from Hyderabad especially, if y'all can make it tomorrow, I'll be supremely grateful. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.